Brad Williams, XL Prime, the workday function. What's the last monthly workday with weekends and holidays excluded? The way workday is going to work forward and backwards, what it's going to do, we're going to use the end of month function. And so what we do is we find the last day of the month. Let's use March because there's 31 days. March 31st is a Saturday. April 1st is a Sunday. When you look at this, it's going to say start date. And it's going to go B6, March 31st. And the end of the day, it's going to be March 31st. If we look at this F9 in here, it's going to give us March 31st. Then we go up one day. We have days. We're going to go back one day. That's going to give us the last day of March. Workday is going to say, well, that's a Saturday. What's the last monthly workday with weekends and holidays excluded? Well, Workday's programmed to go backwards here and find Friday. And that's what it does. It finds this Friday. Same thing here with June. It's going to go forward and then backwards. How? We're not going to get into the internals. We're looking at just the functionality. It's going to go to the end of June, June 30th, Saturday. Then it's going to go Friday. It's going to go plus one day, and that'll be July 1st. You can go forward and backwards. You can pick whatever start date you want. Our start date's going to go back one day to June 30th, which will be a Saturday. Workday is going to say, well, that's a Saturday. I can't give you that date. It's not a workday. Well, then what's the previous Friday? Well, it's going to be June 29th. Read here. Read this over here. The end of month function, you know how it works. Look at this format here and this layout, end of month. First of all, we have workday, which is a start date. Our start date's going to be April 1st. Then days, well, -1. Well, that sounds like March 31st. Is March 31st a weekend? If not, roll back a day. If there are any holidays, we would take that into account. That's how it works. Sloppy? No, I think it's creative. You have to get a feel for the workday function. You know, it just counts weekdays. We're rolling back a day and it has that functionality. It has that ability. Keep that in mind. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks.